The EnOcean Alliance was one of the initiators and key partners in the recent SB4SC Summer Universities, that's Smart Buildings for Smart Cities event, which took place in the centre of Brussels, Belgium. The EnOcean Alliance is the only energy harvesting wireless standard and is dedicated to automation solutions for sustainable buildings using energy harvesting wireless technology. The goal is to make buildings more energy efficient, more flexible and lower in cost. Now in its 6th year, SB4SC revolves around the smart building in the sustainable city and has grown to a major event in the European Smart Building calendar. The 2019 event saw over 1,000 participants from the worlds of politics, through environmentalism to construction and building automation. Presentations were made by over 160 expert speakers, and there were over 120 educational sessions. The focus this year was very much climate change and the CO2 and energy savings that can be made in buildings, which, after all, account for almost 40% of our emissions. The conference also considered the way we build, occupy and run buildings, combined with ever-changing work habits and the work-life balance focus, considering factors such as office occupancy, employee health and wellness. The EnOcean Alliance was widely present in the exhibition area and in the conferences and workshops. Throughout the SB4SC event, there were examples of EnOcean-based, maintenance-free wireless sensors providing data in real time via an IoT gateway to an IoT cloud platform. At SB4SC and at coming events, the EnOcean Alliance continues to deliver on internationalising energy harvesting wireless technology and remains dedicated to creating interoperability between the products of its OEM partners.